Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, learn about farm animals, the animals that live and work on farms. They help people in many ways and are part of everyday farm life. Let's explore them one by one and learn their names and what they do. The cow is a gentle and calm animal. It gives milk that people drink and use to make butter, cheese, and yogurt. Cows eat grass and live in open fields or barns. Farmers take good care of them because they are very useful. The horse is strong and fast. It helps farmers by pulling carts and plows. People also ride horses for travel, work, and fun. Horses eat grass and need a lot of space to run. The pig is a pink and clever animal. It loves to roll in mud to keep itself cool and protect its skin. Pigs eat many types of food and live in a place called a pigsty. They are friendly and smart animals. The chicken is a small bird that lives on the farm. It lays eggs that people eat. Chickens walk around the yard and pick grains and insects for food. A group of hens and a rooster live together in a coop. The sheep has soft, thick wool all over its body. Farmers cut the wool to make clothes and blankets. Sheep eat grass and like to live together in large groups called flocks. The goat is a curious and playful animal. It gives milk that people drink or use to make cheese. Goats can climb up rocks and eat leaves and grass. They are very active and full of energy. Every farm animal makes a different sound. The cow says "ma," the horse neighs, the pig grunts. The chicken says "cock-a-doo-coo," the sheep and goat both say "may-may." These sounds help us know the animals better. Each farm animal has its own special home. The cow lives in a cowshed, the horse lives in a stable, and the pig stays in a sty. Chickens live in a coop, sheep stay in a sheepfold, and goats live in a pen. These homes keep them safe and comfortable. Let's review what we learned. The cow gives milk. The horse is used for work and riding. The pig is clever and loves mud. The chicken lays eggs. The sheep gives wool. The goat gives milk and likes to climb. All these animals are friends of farmers and help in many ways.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.